That is the sound of feel. I'm going to take you through a sound demonstration of various irons that are on the marketplace. That's the sound of Mizuno's MP67 muscleback. It's widely regarded in golf that a well-struck ball with a forged muscleback is perhaps the best feel in golf. That is the sound of feel of the MP52, featuring dual muscle technology and a milled pocket cavity for increased forgiveness and greater playability. Now I'm going to demonstrate the sound of another forged golf club on the market that is not grain flow forged. The MP52, grain flow forged, not grain flow forged. As you can tell, the MP52 has a much longer and richer sound, and what this offers the golfer is maximum feedback. They can actually feel the ball on the face for a split second longer, and it's really just the best feel that you can get in a forged golf club. That is the sound of two of the top-selling game improvement irons on the market that are cast. Now I'm going to demonstrate the sound of Mizuno's MX200 Game Improvement Cavity Back Iron. As you can hear, there's a dramatic difference in sound. The MX200 has a long, rich sound which offers the maximum amount of feel and the maximum amount of feedback, versus the cast golf club has a very short, dull sound which is limited feedback, limited feel. The MX200 also has Y-tune technology and a deep milled pocket cavity to offer a higher degree of forgiveness and a higher degree of playability. Now that we've demonstrated that Mizuno's grain flow forging process provides maximum feedback and the best feeling irons in golf, which one sounds better to you?